Alright, Hello Kitty, stay there. I'm gonna go do person stuff. Alright, I'm done eating dinner. Let's go check on him. No, Hello Kitty! Did you kill him? Ah! Alright. I'm calling the police right now. Let me grab my phone. Okay? I'll be back for you. I'll call the police. Alright, I got my phone. I just dropped it on the stairway. Wait, why is he dead? Okay. He's passed out, so I'll just stick him in the corner and deal with the issues. Hey, okay, I'll let me just call the police. Okay, good grief, the police took care of him. He's now in jail. Let's see what's going on. Hey, who are you? I'm Spatacat. What the heck, man? Why are you in my house, in my room? Were you the one who beat up Mr. Barney the dinosaur? Yeah. Why are you in my room in the first place? You're interrupting my conversation with that pumpkin over there. Oh, come on, man. Well, get out of my room and go talk to him somewhere else. If you want, we can arrange a meeting or something. Nah. Okay. Spider Cat, or Cat Spider, or whatever you are, you better, yeah. I'm just gonna leave. I think I have a spider problem or something. Alright. It's been about an hour. Time to go back and check out. Dude, why are you still here? I don't know. Spider Cat, fine, I'll just leave with you. Alright? I'm Spider Cat. Oh my god. Well, I guess I have a new roommate now. Guys, please like the video. Oh, this was like cool, I guess. Please like the video and subscribe if you aren't already. So yeah, I'll definitely be doing a lot more videos with Spider Cat and how to make him and basically explain how we film this. Go check out that video after you're done with this video. Oh, so yeah, please make sure to subscribe for Spider Cat. He will be appearing again, don't worry.